So opening her up, we got this month's theme, which is Gold Digger. Here we are right there. And here are all the products. And here we have the codes on the back, as always. This time is to sign up for BoxyLuxe, which I will hopefully be reviewing in a future video. So here you are. The first item that I grabbed is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And here we have the lashes. They're very long and beautiful, and I will hopefully wear them later on in a future video. The next item in our box is a 4-piece eye brush set from Luxie. I don't know about you guys, but I really love brushes. I will open her up in just a little bit. Next, we have an eyeliner from Jante Bleu. I'm not really a fan of their eyeliners because they tend to scratch, but I will try and see how this one looks. The next item we have from Cover FX, the Cover FX Glitter Drops, and the shade name is Nova. I'm going to open her up in just a little bit. The last item in the box from Ace Beauty. The Grandoise palette. We're going to take a look and swatch all the shades in just a little bit. And here we have the brushes. They have a very soft top and are very beautiful and nicely detailed. The brush handles feel very nice, and I'm excited to use them. So here's the palette opened up. And here are all the colors. Absolutely stunning. We have 3 metallic looking shades and 5 matte shades. I'm gonna swatch each and every one on my hand and let you know what I think. Here are the Cover FX drops in the shade Nova. It is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna open her up and show you a swatch on my hand. You don't need much. absolutely stunning. And here are all the items in this month's box. Again, I got version number 3. I'm gonna go ahead and use these items to create a simplified look. And here we have the finished look using all the items in this month's box. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell to be updated on future videos. I hope you guys like this video and hope to see you in my next one. Bye.